design, would you give me? So next time we'll surface prep and do that. Out of it. It's not going to be like a search camera.
Yeah, no.
It's more designed for pilot navigation. Oh wow! Oh, super light addition to the aircraft.
Right. Let me know when you're ready for arm servos.
Hold on.
Okay. Do you want me to pin a wing for you?
Okay, good compass. Hold straight north.
Straight north?
Straight north.
Something like that?
Good. Give me a full axis rotation. Good. Alright, go ahead and arm your servos. Did you get it? Yeah.
Servos armed. Up, down, down, free and correct elevator. Left, right, and left.
Sure?
Yep.
Okay, so let's brief the mission. Manual takeoff. First waypoint. Down to the south.
What altitude?
40 meters.
40 meters.
It's going to do a climb up this way, and then do an orbit over top of us until I tell it to stop, and then it'll do a standard landing pattern that we practiced.
Sounds good. You want me to just, how far out do you want me to send it to mission? Do you want me to just head up and send it right to it?
No, why don't you go ahead and get it up, do a loop around, just make sure everything feels good.
Okay.
If everything feels good, bring it over top like we normally do at like 40 meters, and then click mission.
Sounds good.
Alright. Alright, what's the skinny on the launch line?
Okay, so you're gonna...
Oh, do you want me to toss first, or you want him to toss first?
Why don't you toss first just for the first one?
Okay, so I'll arm it, and I'll toss it.
Yeah.
So when you toss it, you want to toss into the wind, and you don't want to throw up because it will stall. You just kind of want to throw it. It's a nice shove, straight level. Vehicle's armed. Good. Good. All good. Give me a control surface check.
Check.
Right is right, left is left, everything.
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Ready? Time to win. One. Oh, and get out of range. Oh, that's cool. Have enough power for a long go around. If you have to take it, get it back quick. Okay.
Wow. Why is it dropping?
Oh no, we lost the battery. That's okay. Coming on. We're looking great. It's on the glide slope.
Okay, tell me east versus west alignment.
West alignment right now, which is okay. On the glide slope, west alignment, I'm comfortable with what it's doing. It's going to slide east when it drops its heading hold.